What's up everyone, welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Before we begin, make sure to hit the like and subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon. We're posting 4 videos every day, so make sure to check back every single day. We're aiming for 20k subscribers and get the deal in the description if you haven't already. Plenty of free crypto and goodies down there. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. What's up guys, so just before we begin, make sure to hit the subscribe and the bell icon. People aren't seeing our content and this is probably because you haven't hit the bell icon. Thank you again for all your support. The algorithm is slamming a lot of content creators right now, so we really appreciate all your support. And we're so proud of the amazing community that we've built, so make sure to jump into the Telegram and the free Discord. So we're just taking a look at Vechain here, and as we can see, today, not seeing that much different to the past few days. We have seen quite a significant rollover, obviously with Bitcoin also rolling over and basically dragging down all the major altcoins. We'd say like a lot of the top 30 coins that are heavily correlated with Bitcoin. We're seeing this for Polygon, for Vechain, Chainlink, Cardano, Ethereum, like the list goes on and on. There's a lot of top quality blue chip altcoins, we'd say, that are highly correlated to Bitcoin that have been rolling over, with Bitcoin rolling over as well. Over the past hour or so, we have seen a little bit of a renaissance here and a very nice bullish divergence that we've seen also for Bitcoin. This chart is very similar to Bitcoin's right now, but you can see here, bullish divergence. Obviously, we get the pick up to the upside, we come back down, we retest the bottom again, and we've got another bullish divergence here. Basically, the bear's getting way too greedy right now, and you can see quite clearly on the chart as well, momentum to the downside decreasing here and here as well. So you can see it's quite clear that overall, basically on the hourly time frame here, the bear's getting quite greedy right now, and this probably is going to lead to potentially a W double bottom here. Where we come down, we pretty much test the 0.50 support, and then we're probably going to get a nice little bounce to the upside. Maybe we come back down and get that overextension to the downside like this and really sweep those lows at the bottom of the macro channel and at the bottom of the 0.50 with the obviously that previous pennant resistance flipped into support as well. You can see the pennant here, and it's quite clear when you look at this chart, coiling up, breakout, and then if we get the back test on the 0.50 on that macro bottom of the channel, it's going to be very, very bullish in our opinion. But we might not even get there, considering, you know, Bitcoin looks as though it is starting to bottom out on this recent move. And if that's the case, and with these bullish divergences, we are expecting there is going to be a bounce for Vechain very, very soon. Most likely, you know, today, considering what we're looking at here, we're probably going to see Vechain coming back up at least into this range here, between that kind of 13.5 cent level to around 14.2 cents, at least up to this level. And we are targeting back up towards that 0.618 at the rather. So that 14.7 cent level, we would say, is a realistic target, considering that, you know, the last time that we got this bullish divergence here, we come back up at least from down here at around that 12.5 cent level, sorry, up to around 14.2 cents. So considering this is what happened last time, we are expecting with this, you know, the greed of the bears here, there is going to be probably a little bit of a short squeeze heading back up towards that 0.618 level. Does seem quite likely. So on the daily time frame, obviously, as we said, not much happening. You can see here, obviously, we've got the clean breakout, and now we are heading back towards support before, you know, potentially that little back test of the pennant. And obviously, if we get that, we are going to be looking at some fireworks for Vechain. So obviously, Vechain, it's been underperforming quite a lot recently. It does seem likely that, you know, Vechain is probably going to, you know, the longer that this goes on, this being a top quality crypto, by the way, the more chance of like a huge bounce to the upside, which we do think is very possible and probably getting more and more likely, to be honest, considering how much Vechain has actually been underperforming. You can see we're in a little bit of an uptrend right now, higher highs and higher lows. And eventually we are going to get that nice move to the upside. So we really do think that Vechain's going to pump into the end of this bull run. It obviously ran from 3 cents to 28 cents. Like we say, a lot on this channel in basically the space of 1.5 months, which is absolutely crazy. So obviously if Vechain did that from here, we would be looking at a very, very nice, well over $1 price for Vechain. So overall, we'd say short-term price predictions then. If we roll over, we will be retesting, most likely on an overextension, this 0.50 around 12 cents, along with the bottom of this macro channel and the previous resistance flipped into support, hopefully, of the pennant. That would be very bullish to see for a bounce. Obviously, moving to the upside, we are targeting the 618 at 14.7 cents, and we've got that 078 at 19.5 to 20 cents as well. And then beyond that, as we always say, 50 cents to $1 for Vechain, we do think very possible. So I'd like to thank everyone so much for their support. If you've got any questions or suggestions, please leave them down below, and don't forget to subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon, to stay up to date with 4 videos we post every single day. Remember, if you want to support the channel more directly and get a ton of benefits and insight, as well as joining our growing community, consider the Patreon or YouTube membership down below. There are 3 tiers giving you access to our private Discord. Crypto Supporter is available if you just want to help us out a small amount. Crypto Maximalist is our main tier, which gives you access to detailed daily technical analysis and signals, weekly and monthly coin calls, and insights into our personal moves, while Maximalist Gold takes it a step further, giving you an insight into our personal portfolio tracker, super low cap gem research, and a 100x portfolio we're constructing and updating, and access to us personally as a resource to discuss your portfolio via Messenger. Make sure to check it out. You can also sign up to our free Telegram and public Discord via the description as well. All the links are in the description for affiliate links for discounts and free crypto, so go check them all out below. There's plenty of goodness on offer. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.